Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Let us continue the lesson Madam Rides the Bus. In our previous session we came to know that Valli decided to have her trip to the town on the bus while her mother was having her nap. And while she was traveling on the bus, she felt that her bus was about to gobble the vehicle which was coming in the opposite direction, or it was about to gobble a pedestrian who was coming in front of her bus. It was her feeling, but problems not occurred. Bus moved slowly, leaving all the obstacles safely behind. And after that, she felt that the trees were running towards her bus. Those things we had seen in our previous session. Now let's continue the lesson. Suddenly, Valli clapped her hands with glee. A young cow, tail high in the air, was running very fast, right in the middle of the road, right in front of bus. Bus slowed to crawl, and the driver sounded his horn loudly again and again. But more he honked, the more frightened the animal became, and faster it galloped, always right in front of the bus. See here. Suddenly, Valli clapped her hands with glee. Glee means joy, happiness. A young cow, tail high in the air. A young cow, its tail was high in the air, was running very fast, right in the middle of the road. That cow was running very fast, right in the middle of the road, right in front of bus. In front of bus only that cow was running. The bus slowed to crawl. That's why the driver reduced the speed of bus. Bus was moving very slowly. The driver sounded his horn loudly again and again. Driver, he sounded his horn. He horned again and again. But the more he honked, the more frightened the animal became, and faster it galloped. But the cow, it frightened more when he honked, when he horned. When the driver honked means horned, then cow became more frightened and faster it galloped. It started to run even more faster. Okay, faster it galloped. Galloped means ran very fast. Right in front of bus. Right in front of bus, that cow was running faster. Somehow, this was very funny to Valli. She laughed and laughed until there were tears in her eyes. Yes, it was very funny for Valli. So she laughed and laughed until there were tears in her eyes. That much she laughed. Hey lady, haven't you laughed enough? Called the conductor. Better save some for tomorrow. Then conductor, he interfered. He said, hey lady, haven't you laughed enough? Okay, better save some for tomorrow. You save your laugh for tomorrow also. Like that he said. At last the cow moved off the road, and soon the bus came to a railroad crossing. Yes, at last the cow moved off the road. It came out of the road, and soon the bus came to the railroad crossing. Okay, it came to the railroad crossing. just you see here. Here train has to pass. Here gate is there. Their bus stopped in this place. Okay, bus stopped. The train has had to move. After that, they would open the gate. Then their bus would move forward. Okay. A speck of train could be seen in the distance. They could see train in the manner of speck. Speck means a tiny spot. The train in the far away, it was visible like a speck, a tiny spot, growing bigger and bigger as it drew near. When it started to come forward, okay, when the train started to come forward, it was becoming bigger and bigger. They could see it clearly. Then it rushed past the crossing gate with the tremendous roar and rattle shaking the bus. Then it moved, okay, with high speed and tremendous roar and rattle. Tremendous means ear splitting or very loud, with a very loud sound. Okay, with loud roar and rattle, it moved forward with a big sound. Okay, loud sound. It moved, shaking the bus. The bus was shaking at that moment. Then the bus went on and passed the train station. After that, bus moved forward. It passed the train station. From it traversed a busy, well laid out shopping street and turning entered a wider thoroughfare. Yes, then the bus passed over a busy, well laid out shopping street. It moved to a shopping street. Turning entered a wide thoroughfare. Later it turned and it entered a wider thoroughfare. Thoroughfare means a busy public road. Such big, bright looking shops. What glittering displays of clothes and other merchandise. Such big crowds. Only saw there were bright looking shops. Big and bright looking shops. And glittering displays of clothes. Clothes were displayed. They were glittering. They were shining in the light. Other merchandise, and there were some other merchandise. Merchandise means things for sale. Such big crowds, and in front of the shops there were crowds. Okay, people were gathered there. Struck dumb with wonder, Wally gaped at everything. Struck dumb, shocked. Okay, struck dumb means shocked with wonder, shocked with surprise. Wally gaped at everything. Wally gaped. Gaped means open mouth wide in order to show the surprise. Okay, by seeing those things, she was opening her mouth in order to show her surprise. Then the bus stopped and everyone got off except Wally. Then bus stopped and everyone got off the bus except Wally. Only Wally remained in the bus. Others, they got off the bus. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.